technology,
Hi sir.
electrical
Hi
technology,
sir, myself Uma. I'm from KGTDI. So KGTDI is Karnataka German Technical Training Institute. We have 8 centers across Karnataka. Among that we are from Bangalore Center. And these are the number of courses we are offering in our center. So we are into the 6 skill sectors. So one is manufacturing technology, electrical technology, industrial automation, information technology, welding technology and automobile technology. We are tied up with so many industrial partners. Ours is an industry setup lab. We tied up with Volkswagen, TVS, Hero,
the center not only provides
E-Plan,
theoretical
Cura,
training, but also
then
hands-on experience through its
Cisco,
state-of-the-art
AWS,
laboratories.
Red Hat. These are our industrial partners. And we have tied up with lot of industries for the placement, because after the completion of the course, we will be giving the placement assistance to our students. Our maximum focus on training the youth and getting placed them in a right position.
So for all the new Make in India programs, so you can actually assist in getting trained and getting placed.
Yeah. Yeah. So actually we also training the students for the world skill competitions also since some 10 years ago itself we started the journey, and we are still training the participants of the world skill competitors.
So what is the input criteria? Is it like a BTECs or diplomas or?
It starts from 8th.
Develop a skilled workforce that
Eighth
meets
standard.
Standard onwards.
It's
Okay.
because we have the welding and the two-wheeler courses.
Okay.
So that are all, it's kind of like a technician courses that are meant for the school dropouts people, ITA dropouts for them. So we have the admissions open from 8th.
The center has also partnered with
dropouts.
several leading companies to provide students with
Thank you so much.